London. Russia launched drones and a missile into Ukraine overnight into Sunday, the Air Force in Kyiv said, as the country kicked off Independence Day celebrations marking the anniversary of its 1991 declaration of independence from the Soviet Union. Ukraine's Air Force said Russia launched 72 drones and one Iskander-M ballistic missile into the country in its latest overnight barrage, of which 48 drones were intercepted or suppressed. The missile and 24 drones impacted across 10 locations, the Air Force said. On Sunday morning, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky's office published a statement to mark 34 years of independence, in which Zelensky said the previous 1,278 days of war with Russia constitute the country's war for independence. Ukraine marks its Independence Day amid U.S.-led efforts to end Russia's full-scale invasion of the country, which began in February 2022 and followed nearly a decade of cross-border aggression and land grabs by Moscow. Zelensky posted to social media to share a letter from U.S. President Donald Trump, in which the American leader said that the Ukrainian people have an unbreakable spirit, and your country's courage inspires many. The United States respects your fight, honors your sacrifices, and believes in your future as an independent nation. Now is the moment to bring an end to the senseless killing, Trump continued, calling for a negotiated settlement that leads to a durable, lasting peace that ends the bloodshed and safeguards Ukraine's sovereignty and dignity. Zelensky thanked Trump for his letter. "We appreciate your kind words for the Ukrainian people, and we thank the United States for standing shoulder to shoulder with Ukraine in defending what is most valuable: independence, freedom, and guaranteed peace," Zelensky wrote. "We believe that by working together we can put an end to this war and achieve real peace for Ukraine," he added. Ukraine continued its own long-range attacks on Russia overnight, according to Russia's defense ministry. Russian forces shot down 95 Ukrainian drones over 14 regions during the latest exchange, the ministry said in a Sunday morning statement. At least one drone was shot down on approach to Moscow, local officials said, with at least 6 shot down over the Leningrad region and St. Petersburg, according to the defense ministry. 2 people were injured by drone attacks in the western Russian region of Bryansk, according to local authorities, with damage reported to homes and cars. There were reports of explosions related to drone attacks at the Syzran oil refinery in Samara region, as well as a fire at the Novotek gas terminal at the port of Ust-Luga, west of St. Petersburg. Russia's Federal Air Transport Agency, Rosaviatsia, reported temporary flight restrictions at least 11 airports across Russia, including in Pskov, Saratov, Volgograd, and St. Petersburg. In the western Kursk region, officials said a downed Ukrainian drone caused a fire at the Kursk nuclear power plant. Upon impact, the drone detonated, resulting in damage to an auxiliary transformer, the plant's press service wrote on Telegram. The statement said that radiation levels were normal and there was no immediate danger. The International Atomic Energy Agency said in a post to X that its Director General Rafael Grossi stressed that every nuclear facility must be protected at all times.